Good morning, fifth graders. Moving on to week 3 of our phonics pathway. Okay, today is day 1. And our objective, okay, again, like our past few Mondays, I can read, review, and practice high-frequency words. Okay, so we're using our same high-frequency word routine. We read the words, we spell them in our head, read them again. We'll practice writing them. So practice writing all 5 in your notebook. And then the last step is to write each one of these words into a sentence. All right, so the words of focus today are draw, drink, each, eat, and ate. Okay, I know for some reason it says 10 here, but we are focused on these 5 high-frequency words today. And your sentences will go right into your notebook. All right, nice job. Remember to label your paper with the title High Frequency Words, and remember to write in your table of contents.